In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can add a channel trailer on YouTube. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is obviously come over to youtube.com, and then once you've done that, you will want to go ahead to your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on that, and then you want to come over to YouTube Studio, which is this option right here. So once you've clicked on YouTube Studio, this is the page you'll be brought to straight away, and you've got a couple of options here down the left hand side. You will want to scroll down a little bit if you can't see it already until you see customization. Click on customization, and then what you will be presented with is this page here. And then as you can see under video spotlight, there's an option for channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed, and there's also an option for people who have subscribed, so returning subscribers as well. And these are two separate ones. So if you click on add on channel trailer, what you can do is you can select any video on your channel to put up here first. So if I select that one there, as you can see, this is the channel trailer that will be automatically played when somebody does come to my channel. So if you're happy with the video that you've selected, all you need to do is click on publish there in the top right corner, and then that will be the channel trailer for your YouTube channel. And it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.